A great gas grill turns everyday dinners into something you actually look forward to. Quick preheat, steady flames, and that classic sear without the fuss. But features like burner power, cooking space, and build quality can make or break your experience. In this video to the best gas grills, you'll learn what matters most and which options deliver reliable results for your backyard. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Cuisinart Chef's Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill. If you want a propane grill, you can take anywhere without giving up real grilling power. The Cuisinart Chef's Style Tabletop Portable Propane Gas Grill is built for fast, stress-free cookouts. It's designed to set up in under 10 minutes with no tools, so you can spend more time cooking and less time assembling parts. Especially helpful when you're camping, tailgating, or grilling in a small backyard space. Even though it's compact, it delivers strong heat. You get 2 stainless steel burners, each rated at 10,000 British thermal unit, with electronic ignition for quick starts and independent control knobs for better temperature control. That means you can create separate heat zones, sear on one side, cook more gently on the other, so different foods finish at the right time. The stainless steel cooking grates are made to distribute heat evenly, which helps you get more consistent results on everything from burgers and chicken to vegetables or delicate fish. It's the kind of feature that makes a portable grill feel closer to a full-size setup. Portability is where it really earns its name. At only about 22 pounds, it's easy to lift and load, and it's designed to travel well with a locking lid, folding legs, and a carry handle. Whether you're heading to a campsite, a game day parking lot, or just moving it from storage to the patio, you get a practical grill that keeps outdoor cooking simple and enjoyable. At number 4, Mastercook Propane Gas Grill. If you want a propane grill that covers weeknight dinners and weekend cookouts without feeling complicated, the Mastercook Propane Gas Grill gives you solid heat, useful space, and practical control. It runs on 4 main burners rated at 40,000 British thermal unit, plus a 12,000 British thermal unit lidded side burner. Great when you want to simmer sauce, saute onions, or cook a quick side while the main meal grills. Starting up is straightforward thanks to the integrated piezo ignition system, which is designed for quick, reliable lighting without extra hassle. With independent burners, you can set up different heat zones for searing on one side and gentler cooking on the other. Helpful when you're juggling burgers, chicken, and veggies at the same time. Cooking space is sized for real meals. You get 400 square inches of primary grilling area on heavy-duty enamel grates, plus an additional 118 square inches on the porcelain-coated swing-away warming rack. That means you can keep finished food warm, toast buns, or hold items while you cook the next batch. The stainless steel lid and control panel add durability and a clean look, while the lid-mounted temperature gauge helps you monitor heat more easily. So you spend less time guessing and more time getting consistent results. With a heat-resistant handle and extra storage space for tools and essentials, it's a practical setup when you want smoother grilling from start to finish. Number 3, we have the Char-Griller Pro Propane Gas Grill. If you want a propane grill that gives you plenty of space, strong heat, and practical extras for backyard cooking, the Char-Griller Pro is built to make grilling feel more organized and more consistent. It features 3 main burners rated at 40,800 British thermal unit plus a 12,000 British thermal unit side burner, handy when you want to warm sauce, saute toppings, or cook sides without running back into the kitchen. You get steady performance thanks to 3 burners with independent control knobs, so you can dial in balanced heat across the grates or create different temperature zones for searing and slower cooking. With 630 square inches of total cooking space, you have room to grill a full spread, 438 square inches of primary grilling area, and a 192 square inches warming rack to keep food hot while you finish the next batch. Durability is a key focus. The tubular steel construction is made for regular use, and the thick porcelain-coated cast iron grates help retain heat for better searing and more even cooking. Dual smokestacks improve ventilation, while the stainless steel thermometer helps you keep an eye on temperature without opening the lid as often. It's also designed for convenience during the cookout with a side workstation and storage hooks for your tools. Large wheels make it easier to move around the patio, and the barrel-style black design adds a classic backyard look that fits in well for everyday dinners or weekend gatherings. At number 2, Captiva Designs Propane Gas Grill. If you want a propane grill that's built for hosting and keeps cooking consistent from the first burger to the last, the Captiva Designs Propane Gas Grill gives you the space and features to make backyard meals easier. The main grates are upgraded to porcelain enameled cast iron, blending the heat-holding power of cast iron with an enamel finish that helps resist rust, reduces sticking, and makes cleanup simpler. Capacity is a big advantage here. With 545 square inches of total cooking area, 400 square inches on the primary cooking surface, plus a 145 square inches warming rack, you can cook multiple foods at once and keep finished items warm while the rest catches up. That's especially useful when you're feeding family or friends and everything needs to hit the table together. Cleaning is designed to be less of a chore. The full-size pull-out grease tray collects drippings during cooking, and the slide-out design lets you remove it, empty it, wipe it down, and reinstall it quickly, helping you keep the grill looking better over time. You also get practical storage built in. The spacious bottom cabinet can hold grilling tools, seasonings, and even your propane tank, keeping your setup organized so you're not running back and forth to the kitchen. Add in features like a built-in thermometer, a warming rack, and locking casters, and you get a grill that's ready for smooth, stress-free cookouts. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Weber Spirit Liquid Propane Gas Grill. If you want a propane grill that heats fast, sears hard, and stays dependable season after season, the Weber Spirit Liquid Propane Gas Grill is built to deliver consistent results without the usual backyard guesswork. Its boost burners are designed to unleash up to 40% more power in the largest sear zone in its class, giving you the higher heat you need for bold grill marks and flavorful crusts on steaks, burgers, and chops. You'll appreciate how quickly it gets up to temperature and how evenly it cooks across the grates, so you're not constantly moving food around to avoid hot and cool spots. Lighting the grill is simple too. Snapjet ignition lets you press and turn the knobs to ignite each burner individually with one hand, which makes startup faster and less frustrating. For cooking performance and durability, porcelain enameled cast iron grates hold heat well, clean up easier, and are made to last. The cast aluminum cookbox stands up to weather and helps prevent rusting and peeling, so your grill keeps looking and performing like it should over time. Flavor is where the details add up. Stainless steel flavorizer bars catch drippings, vaporize juices to boost that classic grill taste, and help direct grease away from the burners to reduce flare-ups. Overall, it's a practical choice when you want reliable heat, strong searing power, and smoother cookouts, whether it's a quick weeknight dinner or a full weekend barbecue. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which gas grill you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.